My name is Nakenya Minnieweather, and I'm currently an MBA student at Texas State University. I'm currently interning with the HR division here at WGI. My favorite part about my internship is the opportunity to learn about potential roles that I'll be playing as HR coordinator.
Hi, my name is Deidre, and I'm an intern for the Land Development Department at WGI. My favorite thing about working here is how helpful and nice everyone is.
Hi, my name is David Lee, and I'm a fourth-year civil engineering major at UT Austin. I'm interning at WGI with the civil department, and my favorite thing about the internship is getting to meet and connect with new people.
Hi, I'm Simon. I'm a fourth-year civil engineering student at the University of Texas at Austin, focusing in structural engineering, and I am the structural intern on the structures and parking team. And I'm most excited to learn about the structural design process on buildings.
Hi all, my name is Elizabeth Deleon. I'm a civil engineering major, expected to graduate in year 2023. I'm in the SA office with the Public Works Department, and my favorite thing about working at WGI has been contractor submittals and plan and profiles.
Hi, I'm Ben. I'm a land development intern with WGI. What I love most about interning here is the wide variety of activities that I'm able to partake in and all the disciplines.
Hi, my name is Alex Vigil. I'm a mobility intern at the San Antonio office. I'm going to graduate this December from the University of Texas at San Antonio with a bachelor's in civil engineering. And my favorite thing that I've learned at WGI is how to make TIAs and the whole TIA process.
Hi, my name is Rebecca Chilhan. I'm an intern at the West Palm location in the transportation department. I'm super grateful for the opportunities of working on some large-scale projects, and I'm excited for what's to come. Go WGI!
Hi there, my name is Gerado Villarreal. I'm a major in civil engineering from UTSA. I'm expected to graduate in December. I work in WGI San Antonio in the Land Development Department, and my favorite thing that I've learned here has been SWIFs and plat preparation.
Go WGI!